Good morning, students. This is Suresh, Maths faculty from DAV High School, STSTPS, AP Genco, Neltur. In this session, we are going to discuss exercise 4.2 problems related to chapter 4, lines and angles. Let us start exercise 4.2 problems. Third question. In the given figure, lines AB and CD intersect at O. If angle AOC plus angle BOE is equal to 70 degree and angle BOD is equal to 40 degree, find angle BOE and reflex angle COE. Solution. Given angle BOD is equal to 40 degree, we know that vertical opposite angles are equal. Observe the picture. Here angle AOC and angle BOD are vertically opposite angles. So angle AOC is equal to angle BOD is equal to 40 degree. And also given angle AOC plus angle BOE is equal to 70 degree. That implies we know angle AOC is 40 degree plus angle BOE is equal to 70 degree. Next step, angle BOE is equal to 70 degree. Transposing 40 degree to the right side of the equation, it becomes minus 40 degree. After subtract, we get 30 degree. Observe the picture. Angle AOC, angle COE and angle EOB form a linear triple. So sum of these angles made 180 degree. Therefore, angle AOC plus angle COE plus angle BOE is equal to 180 degree. That implies we know angle AOC value is 40 degree plus angle COE plus angle BOE value is 30 degree. That is equal 180 degree. Next step, angle COE plus 40 plus 30, 70 degree. That is equal 180 degree. Next step, angle COE is equal to 180 degree minus the 70 degree move to right side. It becomes minus 70. After subtract, we get 110 degree. Next step, how we can get reflex angle COE? Subtract angle COE from 360 degree, we get reflex angle COE. That is 360 degree minus 110 degree is equal to 250 degree. Next question. In the given figure, lines XY and M1 intersect at O. If angle POY is equal to 90 degree and A is to B is equal to 2 is to 3, then find the angle C. Solution. Given angle POY is equal to 90 degree and angle POM is equal to A, angle MOX is equal to B, angle XON is equal to C. And also A and B are complementary angles. Since PO is perpendicular to XY, so angle POX made with 90 degree. Therefore, A plus B is equal 90 degree. And also given A is to B is equal 2 is to 3. Therefore, A is equal 2 by 5 into 90. Here, denominator 5, we can get sum of the parts of 2 and 3. Next step, 290 is 180. 180 is divisible by 5, we get 36 degree. Next, B is equal to 3 by 5 into 90. 390 is 270. 270 degree is divisible by 5, we get 54 degree. Angle XOM and angle YON are vertically opposite, so they are equal. Therefore, angle YON is equal to angle XOM is equal to B is equal to 54 degree. In the given figure, angle XOM and angle XON are linear pair. Therefore, angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. We know B value is 54 degree plus C is equal to 180 degree. Next step, C is equal to 180 degree. 54 degree transposing to the right side of the equation, it becomes minus 54 degree. After subtract, we get 126 degree. It is a angle C value. Next question, in the given figure, angle PQR is equal to angle PRQ. Then prove that angle PQS is equal to angle PRT. Solution. In the given figure, angle PQS and angle PQR as well as angle PRQ and angle PRT are linear pair and also supplementary angles. So, angle PQS plus angle PRQ is equal to angle PRQ plus angle PRT is equal to 180 degree. But given angle PQR is equal to angle PRQ. So, cancel the equal angles on both sides. We get angle PQS is equal to angle PRT. Next question. In the given figure, if x plus y is equal to w plus z, then prove that AOB is a line. Solution. Given that x plus y is equal to w plus z, but the sum of the angles around a point is 360 degree. So, add the all angles, that is x plus y plus w plus z is equal to 360 degree. X plus y plus, instead of w plus z, we can write x plus y, that is equal to 360 degree. Add the like terms on the left side of the equation. X plus x, 2x, y plus y, 2y, and 2 separate, we get 2 into x plus y, that is equal to 360 degree. Next step, x plus y is equal to 2 transposing to the right side of the equation, it becomes 360 degree by 2. After cancellation, we get 180 degree. We know that the sum of the any two angles equal to 180 degree, they are supplementary. So, angle AOC and angle BOC are supplementary as well as adjacent. So, they are linear pair angles with a common vertex O. Therefore, AOB is a line. Next question. In the given figure, PQ is a line. Ray OR is perpendicular to line PQ. OS is another ray lying between rays OP ray and OQ ray. Prove that angle ROS is equal to half of the angle QOS minus angle POS. Solution. In the given figure, ray OR is perpendicular to line PQ. So, angle POS plus angle ROS is equal to 90 degree as well as angle QOR also. That implies angle POS plus angle ROS is equal to, you can write angle QOR is equal to angle QOS minus angle ROS. Next step, angle ROS, send it to the left side of the equation. It becomes plus angle ROS plus angle ROS is equal to angle QOS, and angle POS move to the right side of the equation. It becomes minus angle POS. Next step, add the angle ROS plus angle ROS. It is equal to 2 angle ROS is equal to angle QOS minus angle POS. Next step, angle ROS is equal to transposing to right side of the equation. It becomes 1 by 2 into angle QOS minus angle POS. Hence proved. Next question. It is given that angle XYZ is equal to 64 degree and XY is produced to point P. A ray YQ bisects angle ZYP. Draw a figure from the given information. Find angle XYQ and reflex QYP. Solution. Given that angle XYZ is equal to 64 degree and also angle XYZ and angle PYZ are supplementary angles. So, angle XYZ plus angle PYZ is equal to 180 degree, and substitute angle XYZ value, that is 64 degree, plus angle PYZ is equal to 180 degree. Angle PYZ is equal to 180 degree. Transposing 64 to the right side of the equation, it becomes minus 64 degree. After subtract, we get 160 degree. Since a ray YQ bisect angle ZYP. Bisect means divided into two equal parts. Therefore, angle ZYQ is equal to angle QYP is equal to 116 degree by 2. After calculation, we get 58 degree. Therefore, angle XYQ is equal to angle XYZ plus angle ZYQ, that is equal 64 degree plus 58 degree. After addition, we get 122 degree. Angle QYP is equal 58 degree. Therefore, reflex angle QYP is equal to, how we can get reflex angle QYP? So, subtract angle QYP from 360 degree, we get reflex angle QYP, that is 360 degree minus 58 degree. After subtract, we get 302 degree. Dear students, along with the home assignment, copy exercise 4.2 problems in paper 1 book. Thank you.